What's going on, everybody? Happy New Year. It is fantastic to see you. Today's January 2nd. It's Tuesday. I'm filming my Monday weekly update just because I decided to do something that I don't usually do. I okayed myself to have a complete day off. I said, don't stress, Emeka. Just turn your brain off. Turn your brain off. I played some video games. I watched some of my Netflix shows, binged on those a little bit, and what else? We had a chilling day, you know, and it was just a chilling day. And speaking of chilling, it's like 0 degrees out right now in Mexico. Can you believe that? So I'm just outside because the wife and the baby are inside, and they're noisy. So want to come out and chat with y'all for a while. So updates. All right, last week of the year is always a big week. It's always a big week, right? Because there's year-end sales, and there's lots of people spending all the money they got for Christmas. That's one of the reasons I love January, not because of my birthday. That's the main reason, but the 15th, but because so many people spend all their money that they get for Christmas in January on books, on courses, on whatever the case being, including myself. And so January can be a massive month for sales if you set it up properly for you publishers and you entrepreneurs out there. So don't think January slows down. February, March might be a little slower, but January you can still. I'd hustle hard just like December because you can still get so much done and make so much money. But let's talk about it really quick. Those of you who missed out on the Blueprint sale, where you get free coaching, free group coaching for a month when you sign up. Today's the last day. It's going to end today, the 2nd at 11:59 p.m. I had so many people emailing and messaging, and I just found another message on Instagram, and you know, wanting to sign up, but they thought they missed the deadline. So said, okay, you know what? One more day we'll do this year-end sale to start 2018 off right, because hey, you know, last year I made that commitment. Well, 2016, I made that commitment to make 2017 the best year of my life, and did that by far. Had, you know, $10,000 months, you know, just helped so many people create a passive income for themselves, and, you know, buy a house, car, it's so many cool things. So it's been really exciting, and I want to be able to kind of give back and help even more in 2018. So you have until 11:59 to get that link in the description. Just message me if you want any help or got questions about that. But so cool. One of our students just had his first $8,000 month in publishing. So I'll be showing, we'll be going into more details with dashboards and stuff like that. But lots of big things happening on the self-publishing world. So get in on it. Get in on it while it's hot. Get in on it while you still can. It's relatively easy to get going, and it's still one of the easiest and most newbie-friendly ways to start making money online. So other than that, you know what? We're going to be grinding. A lot of changes coming to this year. A lot of changes coming to the channel, to my website. We're going to get that up and running properly finally. And just a lot of new things going to be coming out, so we can really make a big impact this year and help the masses. Help the masses create freedom for themselves, build their income, and ultimately create the lifestyle of their dreams. That's really the message I want to be portraying to people this year, and that's what I'm going to be setting out to get done. So anyways, I got to get back inside. My hand's going numb holding the camera. We got some stuff to take care of first with the family. I think I'm going to zip over to Tim Hortons, grab me a coffee, some Timbits, and then I got a boatload of stuff to take care of, you know, inside. And yeah, I'll be coming at you. We're not doing daily videos anymore. That's done, but still going to be looking doing 4 to 5 a week. Kindle Tips Tuesday, that I'll be filming later today to get that up later today. That'll still be coming, and we're going to get back to doing live streams. Had a phenomenal live stream on Saturday. Phenomenal, 2 hours. Somebody said it was like Kindle TV, you know, but it's by far the best Kindle publishing live stream Q&A I've ever seen, ever, period. So you want to hit that up. But hey, hope the new year is going well for all of you. Cannot wait to help 2018 be the best year of your life. Peace.